And getting you this latest update in connection with the January 26th violence probe, the Delhi police has now found about 200 groups that were active on January 26th, that is the Republic Day, when the violence that erupted here in the national capital. And now, according to sources, these 200 groups were fueling the fire and provocative messages were also being shared on those groups. Meanwhile, they were trying to mobilize more and more people and asking them to assemble at a certain point. Let's go across to my colleague Atul, who has gotten us this exclusive update as well. Atul, this is certainly an important update coming in of around 200 groups that the police, while they were probing the violent incident, they were trying to provoke and also mobilize people at various spots.
Well, definitely the Delhi police, who's probing January 26 violence, has found that more than 200 WhatsApp groups were active on that particular day, and they were mobilizing people. They were asking them to assemble at ITO and at Red Fort. So definitely they were also giving the provocative message through this different WhatsApp groups, which are 200 in numbers as of now. And what we are learning from the sources is that most of them were the admins were from Punjab sides. So definitely the Delhi police has gone through the entire deep-rooted conspiracy. They have come to know that how the protesters, the main culprit persons, were mobilizing people, how they were contacting them, how they were asking them to assemble at certain points, and the certain points were ITO and Red Fort. And they were also, giving messages regarding the protest violence, whichever taking place inside the national capital. They were also giving them false information that a farmer was shot dead by the Delhi police, which were fake information. So definitely the Delhi police, the entire Delhi police force, be it Crime Branch, be it Special Cell, or be it the local police, they all are probing this, and they have found this. This data has been being compiled by the different agencies, and the Delhi police is all set to reveal more names who are behind this. And what we are learning from the sources is that one team is already in Punjab. They are conducting raid there to nab Deep Sidhu, who is said to be one of the culprits. And these 200 groups which were being used to fuel the fire, now it has come on record, and Delhi police maybe will be gathering more evidences against them.
All right, thank you so much, Atul, for getting us that breaking update. Certainly a massive breakthrough for the agency. There are multiple agency viewers that are currently investigating and probing the entire incident. And now they have found there are about 200 groups that are operating on that particular day, trying to mobilize people and also send out that provocative messages as well.